Today, we're breaking down Fidelity Go, a robo-advisor designed for new investors. Investing can feel overwhelming, but Fidelity Go aims to make it simple. Our review will cover what it does well, where it falls short, and whether it fits your goals. Fidelity Go uses technology to manage your money, making investing less intimidating and often less expensive. We'll explain the basics, costs, and how your money is invested. Understanding fees is crucial. Lower fees mean more growth for you. We'll also look at the investment strategy and how it matches your comfort with risk. By the end, you'll know if Fidelity Go is a good starting point for your investment journey. There's no perfect choice for everyone, but we'll give you the facts to help you decide. Let's get started with a clear, honest look at Fidelity Go. We want you to feel confident about your next steps. Your feedback and questions are always welcome. Fidelity Go is an automated investment service, also known as a robo-advisor. You answer questions about your goals and risk tolerance, and the system builds a portfolio for you. No need to pick stocks or funds yourself. The platform does it all. Once you fund your account, Fidelity Go manages and rebalances your investments automatically. This set-it-and-forget-it approach is perfect for beginners. The service uses technology to keep your portfolio on track so you don't have to monitor it daily. You don't need a lot of money or expertise to get started. Your money is spread across different investments, lowering your risk. The process is simple, hands-off, and designed to help your money grow over time. It's a straightforward way to start investing, even if you're brand new. Fidelity Go makes investing accessible for everyone. Cost matters when you invest, and Fidelity Go keeps it simple. There are no advisory fees for accounts under $10,000, a huge win for beginners. For balances between $10,000 and $49,999, you pay a flat $3 per month. This predictable fee structure makes budgeting easy. Fidelity Go uses its own index funds called Fidelity Flex Funds, which have zero expense ratios. That means no management fees for the funds themselves. The combination of no advisory fee and zero expense ratio funds keeps your costs extremely low. For accounts over $50,000, the fee is 0.35% per year, still competitive. Most beginners will benefit from the low or no fees as they start out. This cost-effective approach helps your money grow faster. It's one of the most affordable ways to begin investing. Fidelity Go's investment strategy is all about diversification. Your money is spread across many stocks and bonds using index funds. This lowers your risk and aims for steady long-term growth. The system doesn't try to pick winners or time the market. It follows proven broad market strategies. Your portfolio is tailored to your age, goals, and risk comfort. Younger investors get more stocks for growth. Cautious investors get more bonds for stability. It's a passive, low-stress approach, ideal for those who want to invest and let it grow. The focus is on building wealth slowly and reliably, not chasing quick gains. Low-cost index funds help maximize your returns over time. This strategy is perfect for new investors who want peace of mind. You get a solid foundation for long-term success. Fidelity Go keeps things simple and safe. Fidelity Go is designed for simplicity. The website and app are clean, easy to navigate, and free of confusing jargon. Opening an account is quick with step-by-step guidance. You don't need to be a financial expert to get started. The platform is perfect for beginners who want a hands-off experience. There's no minimum to open an account, and no fees on small balances. You can easily track your investments and see your progress. It's ideal for students, young professionals, or anyone who finds investing intimidating. If you want a simple, low-cost way to start, Fidelity Go is a strong choice. The focus is on clarity and confidence, not complexity. It's built to help you start investing with ease. Fidelity Go isn't perfect. There are some drawbacks. You can't pick your own funds or stocks. The system makes all decisions. Investment choices are limited to Fidelity's own flex funds. There's no option for socially responsible investing or funds from other companies. Advanced features like tax loss harvesting aren't available for all accounts. The platform is very basic. No advanced research tools or analytics. If you want more control or customization, you may outgrow Fidelity Go. It's best for beginners, not advanced investors. Fidelity Go is a great fit for beginners seeking a simple, low-cost way to invest. The automated hands-off approach removes stress and guesswork. Low fees and zero expense ratio funds help your money grow. It's ideal for those starting with small amounts or who want an easy entry into investing. However, experienced investors may find it too limiting. Lack of customization and advanced features are real drawbacks for some. If you want simplicity and affordability, Fidelity Go is a top choice. If you want more control, look elsewhere. We hope this review helps you make a smart decision. Share your questions or feedback below. We'd love to hear from you.